Hey guys, so while I wait to hear back about the smart bulbs, here's another Nooie product they sent me to test. It's a camera. Now, I don't normally test cameras, but I thought it might be something that would be useful in filming these videos, so that's why I said yes. Turns out, I think it's something totally different, but we'll still have fun with it. Let's see if we can figure it out. So we're doing an unboxing here. Comes with just one pamphlet or two. Share your experience on Amazon. I wish I could. Amazon does not let me leave reviews anymore, and they won't tell me why. Nooie, that's in a different language. Okay. In the box is a camera, some screws, and a way to mount it. Customer care warranty. You need the Nooie Cam App. Okay, so let's start there. Got the old smartphone here, Android smartphone. Nooie Cam. Install. 0%. Now as we play the Jeopardy music. That's probably copyright protected, so I guess we won't play it. Well, let's start unpacking while we're... Okay. Camera with a... Supposedly there's an SD slot in it somewhere. Maybe you have to take the bottom out? I don't see it. Where's the SD slot? Let's see. I'm not going to test it with an SD card, but... Oh, the SD slot is beneath the lens, I think. Okay. And there's a speaker. And we're going to plug it in using the charger from my phone. Got a little red light now. Where are we at with the app? 44%. So, oh wow, it's moving already. So for those unfamiliar with my videos, obviously from this one I use the washer and dryer as my indoor workbench, even though I have several nice workbenches, one in the garage and one in each workshop. Normally I use my phone to film, but since I'm testing devices that need my phone, I have a freestanding camera and tripod set up, so this is different than my usual videos. Don't get used to this, I'm going right back to the phone. The only reason I went the extra mile for these videos is because Nooie has sent me 3 different things and they were all pretty cool. I referenced the smart bulbs. That was the other thing they sent me right before the camera, and I tried to do a video of them and I couldn't get them to pair properly, so hopefully it's my error and not theirs. I did write the company to see. If I can get them working, you'll know, because there'll be a video that pops up. And if not, I'm not going to post a video of something not working that, you know, is supposed to be flattering to the company. Because again, it could be my error, it could be the phone's error. I don't always want to assume it's product error. Hopefully this one goes smoothly. The Nooie smart plugs I had went very smoothly. I think I used the Smart Life app with those. Where are we at? Open. Perfect. Cool logo. Let's see if my Nooie home account works with Nooie Cam, or if I need to sign up for a separate account. Okay, no, I need a separate account. So Nooie, it would be much easier if I didn't have to sign up for an account for each device that I wanted to use. I'd like to be able to test the device without signing up for anything in the first place. I understand with cameras, you probably want an extra level of protection. I don't feel like with light bulbs that's necessary. 668-253. 668-253. 668-253. I can't remember if I said it out loud or not. They had to send me an email with a code. And so that was the code. Now I'm making a password. Okay. So where are we at now? Add camera. This is the Nooie 360, right? Yep. Nooie Cam 360. Is the red light on? Yes, I saw the red light. Yes, that's my Wi-Fi network. Oops. Type my Wi-Fi passcode. My Wi-Fi passcode is actually, place this QR code in front of your camera. Oh, it's still... What am I... Oh, there's a cover. Try not to... Okay, there's something on the lens. That work? No. There we go. The indicator turns steady white. It's flashing white. I heard the sound and it's flashing white, but it's not steady white. So we need to try this again. There we go, steady white. Pairing. Let's set them next to each other just to be safe. Name your camera. It's got front door, office, living room, garage, baby room, kitchen, backyard. We'll just call it front door because it's the first one. Swipe and hold to see more. Oh, it's just instructions. Got it. Oh, so it's showing me, okay, I can record, I can scree, it just says scree, speak or listen. So, okay, well, firmware update, let's update the firmware. It's going to take 5 minutes for that, so we probably won't, we'll probably edit that in post. Okay, well. Hey, so we're back after the firmware update. So right now, if you can see, it's showing me the laundry room. So can I move it? Yeah, so now it's working, I guess. So I don't know if you can see, but I can move the when I move the camera to show different parts of the laundry room, now it's facing the box. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. I can record video, which is what it's doing now. I can take a still picture. I am making an announcement. Is this working? I am making an announcement. Is this working? I am making an announcement. Is this working? Yeah, it works. Okay. I am making an announcement. So then the other way is I can listen from the camera. Okay. So yeah, all I do is I hold down and swipe, and then the camera moves, and I can see different parts of the laundry room. Now I'm looking at the blank wall there. As far as I can get it to go, does it not go? So I guess it doesn't go a full 360, I have to go back around the other way. That's not the end of the world. Come on. Now we're facing the box again. Pretty cool. And at the price point, it's great. Okay. I'm glad that that worked. Well, I like this camera now that I got it working. If I turn it this way, does it do a... Yeah, I can get a wider shot. Okay. Well, I think that's it for this. Thanks.